be so pleased by our success.
Hey guys, it's Alex. In today's video, I'm going to do another Halloween series, which is going to be for the Nightmare for Christmas. You guys saw that I did a lock, and I also did shock, and the last one is a barrel. Again, this is the DIY mess that I made, but in today's video, I'm going to do a barrel. Like I said, I just did a lock and shock. I literally just filmed them a couple of minutes ago. But yeah, I'm going to do a barrel. This is the DIY mess that I made. I'm also going to insert clips of how I made it. The barrel, just keep on watching the link, shock, and lock little makeup tutorial if you guys want to go and see that. But yeah, I'm going to do a barrel today. Yeah, just keep on watching, and also give this video a big thumbs up, and let's hop right into the video. But yeah, this is how the DIY mask looks like. This was actually the easiest one to make, so I'm going to insert the clips of how I made it. Alright, so this is pretty much everything you're going to be needing. So you need a poster board, construction paper, clay, wires, paint, hot glue gun, hole puncher, pencils and markers, strings, and then also something to cut out. So I have, and then also scissors. So this is pretty much everything you're going to be needing. I'm going to do a barrel, and I have this white poster board, and I also have a little trace of it on my little sketchbook. So pretty much all I'm going to do is draw a big old circle. Okay, go. Something like this. I'm just going to use a X-Acto knife to cut it out. And I also have something hard under so it doesn't go through. So I'm just going to cut this out. Alright, this is what I have so far, and then again, I'm just going to outline the eyeballs and cut them out. His eyeballs are a little bit more longer, so I'm going to do a little bit more longer and kind of more to the center, right here. Something like this. Now I'm going to cut it out. Alright, so this is barrel. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with a barrel. So pretty much this is how it's looking like. I don't really need to do any nose or nothing. So pretty much all I'm gonna do is paint. So I have black and white. So the black I'm kind of gonna do around the eyeballs and then around the nose. And then I'm going to grab a pencil and outline the teeth. His teeth are kind of like this. It's kind of hard to explain. They're just kind of a little bit more bumpy. So I'm just going to outline the teeth first. So his teeth are something like this. So now I'm just going to grab a black paint and go around the eyeballs and around the nose. I'm just going to outline the teeth. This is kind of like a little sketch that I did, but I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. But I'm just going to grab a small little paintbrush and trace the gums. So I'm just going to kind of do something like this. So now I'm just going to kind of grab a pencil and draw the teeth of where they would be. Alright, so I just outlined the teeth, so something like this. So now where all the black where the blank spaces are, where the white is not going to be, I'm going to fill in with black. Alright, so this is pretty much how it's looking like. So now I'm just going to go back in with the white to fill in the teeth. So I'm pretty much all done with the barrel mask. This is how it's looking like. So pretty much all I need to do is do 2 little holes right here so I can actually like wear it. But this is pretty much the final result of the mask. Tie it and loop it through. But this is pretty much the final result of a barrel. Alright, so let's get started. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some white face paint. Again, this is just the face paint that I got from my house. I'm just going to paint my whole face white. I'm just going to spray some water. And also my hands are stained from that green paint. And I'm just going to paint my whole face white. I also have my little nephew Mason in here. Mason, say hi.
Hi.
I'm just going to paint my whole face white. This one is a lot easier than the other ones because all I need to do is do like black eyes and then like a mouth that I can draw really easily. And I don't really need to put like a lot of details. And it also, the mask was so much easier than the other ones because I didn't have to do a nose or nothing. So I'm just going to paint my whole face white. I'm also going to do the chest. That's why I'm wearing that tank top. I know the other ones I didn't really do no like body work or nothing. This one has like a little skeleton about it. So I'm going to draw some like bones and some like little chest bones right here. So that's why I'm wearing like a tank top. I know the other one I didn't just because they really have nothing. I just finished up Shock, so I'm literally filming all of these looks all in one day. So now I just have a lot of footage to edit, but they're gonna go out like separate days. But I'm really excited. It's around like 12 and now it's like 4 o'clock. So I've been filming these looks the past like 4 or 5 hours, but they're all looking really good. Also my ears. I really hate putting on my ears because when I remove it, it's really difficult to get it out, but it really does help like bring the whole look together when you do your ears. Also, I think you guys saw like my fall get ready with me that I said something that I'm off this Halloween. I just don't know what to be for Halloween. I really don't know. Like I have ideas, but I don't know. I think Mason's gonna be Hawk, but I kind of want to do something with like marbles or something so like the whole family matches. But I don't know. I'm gonna move on to the eyeball. I'm just gonna take some black face paint and just cover up all of my eyeballs, even like over my eyeballs. I'm gonna kind of do like a circle. This is gonna be all black. I'm gonna go over the outside and do kind of like a little bit of bumps, kind of like this, kind of like a flower petal, but around the eyeball, something like that. I'm just gonna do it around the eyeball. I have to be perfect. I'm just doing like little bumps around the outside of the eye. Alright, so I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow just to set the eyeballs. Also, I'm gonna make sure I get the black on my waterline. And I'm gonna go back in with the black face paint to do the nose. It has like 2 like little triangles as a nose. Look at the mask. I'm gonna draw like 2 little black triangles right here and right here. Alright, so I'm just gonna continue with the black face paint and do the mouth. I'm just gonna draw the mouth first. And I'm just gonna mark the teeth. I'm just gonna fill in the blank spaces with black. This also kind of helps to carve the teeth. I'm just gonna use the black face paint to fill it all in. I'm just gonna draw some bones that come right down the neck. And then I'm gonna draw my collarbone. Alright, so we can probably leave it like this, but I want to add some little bit of a green to the teeth because in the movie he does have a little bit of green teeth. So I'm just going to take some green eyeshadow and a big old brush and apply that over the teeth. Doesn't have to be neat, just like a little bit of green over the teeth. Alright, so this is pretty much the final result of Beryl. This is how Beryl is looking like. This was literally the easiest one out of all three of them. This is how Beryl is looking like, and then with the mask, this is how it's looking like. I'm literally so obsessed with this. This is pretty much how Beryl looks like. That's also when I see it locked and shot. I'll link them down in the description bar, but yeah, this is pretty much Beryl. I'm literally so obsessed with this. So good. I feel like the teeth really just add in, because in the movie he does have like green teeth, and then with the bones on my chest, it really does add to it. But yeah, this is pretty much the final result of Beryl. I'm literally so obsessed with all of them. I think my favorite one is like Shock because it looks so good. Here's the final result of Beryl. I really hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.